The return of the heat wave titan, decoding the impending El Niño. The global climate machine is shifting gears once again. Following the notable 2023 to 2024 El Niño event, recent atmospheric data and numerical model forecasts indicate that a potentially strong El Niño is gathering momentum in the tropical Pacific. For climatologists, policymakers, and global industries, this signals a massive restructuring of global weather dynamics. 1. The anatomy of an El Niño, breaking the normal cycle. To understand the sheer magnitude of an El Niño, we have to look at the baseline state of the equatorial Pacific Ocean, known as the Walker circulation. Normal/neutral conditions. Strong easterly trade winds blow from east to west across the equator. These winds push warm surface water towards Southeast Asia and Australia, causing a warm pool to build up in the western Pacific. In the eastern Pacific, near South America, cold, nutrient-rich water is dragged up from the deep ocean, a process called upwelling. El Niño phase, the atmospheric engine stalls. The trade winds weaken significantly or even reverse into westerlies. Without the westward push, the warm pool of water sloshes back across the Pacific towards South America, shutting down the cold water upwelling. This creates a massive reservoir of anomalous heat energy across the central and eastern tropical Pacific. Tracking the pulse, the Niño 3.4 index. Meteorologists quantify this phenomenon primarily using the Niño 3.4 index, which monitors sea surface temperature anomalies, SSDA. In a specific corridor of the equatorial Pacific, 5:/circ/textus. 5:/circ/text in 170:/circ/text W. 120:/circ/text W. When these anomalies persistently exceed plus 0.5:circ/text C, an El Niño is declared. Current predictive models indicate that the incoming event could cross the threshold into a strong classification, exceeding plus 1.5:circ/text C to plus 2.0:circ/text C as the year progresses. While some complex, climate network-based models project a weaker onset, leading agencies like NOAA's Climate Prediction Center, CPC, maintain a high probability of a robust development, flashing early warnings for global thermal surges. 3. The global domino effect, teleconnections. An El Niño does not stay confined to the Pacific. Because the warm ocean heats the air above it, it shifts the entire position of the global jet stream. This triggers a series of climate dominoes known as teleconnections. Why the impending event demands expert vigilance. This upcoming cycle is particularly alarming because it threatens to superimpose on already elevated global base temperatures. When a strong El Niño builds on top of an already warming planet, it functions like lighter fluid on an open flame. Researchers warn that a fully developed El Niño could drive global mean surface temperatures to unprecedented, record-breaking highs, straining power grids, fracturing agricultural supply chains, and triggering mass marine heat waves that devastate coral reefs. With early warning networks rapidly deploying predictive frameworks, the global community is in a race against the clock to mitigate the cascading economic and ecological disruptions of this impending climatic shift.